A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and taking best care of yourselves, and you are doing all the necessary things which you need to do to protect yourself from COVID-19. So I welcome you all students after your half-yearly exams. I have seen your PDF children, and most of the students have given you exams in a very good manner, and I hope you will score the good marks also in your exams. And you got 4 days holidays also, children, after your exam, so it's time to get back with our studies. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start our studies. Okay, so before half yearly exam, children, I have finished lesson number 15. We have finished lesson number 15, that was natural vegetation. So today, before starting with our class, what is the date today? Today is 28th October 2020. Okay, and in this class of SST we will study lesson number 16. We will study lesson number 16, that is agriculture and types of crops. The name of the lesson is agriculture, types of crops. First of all, children, you must know what is the meaning of agriculture. Okay, you should know what is the meaning of agriculture. Agriculture means, in the simple language, if we will tell, means farming. Agriculture means farming. Okay, you must have listened about farmers. Okay, in English grammar also you have studied about our helpers. In our helpers, farmers are also coming. So the farmers are there, so many farmers are there in our country, they are doing the farming na? The farming, agriculture means the farming. Okay, so types of crops, how many types of crops are there in our country, that also we will study in this chapter. Okay, so let's begin with our chapter. India is an agrarian country with more than 55% of the population depending directly or indirectly upon agriculture. Okay, India is an agrarian country means India is a country which is dependent on the agriculture. Okay, which is dependent on the agriculture means on farming. Okay, so many people, most of the people are dependent on the agriculture, on the farming. That is why it is called India is an agrarian country, means which is dependent on the farming, on the agriculture. With more than 55% of the population depending directly or indirectly upon agriculture, means out of 100%, 55% of population, 55% of people are dependent on the agriculture directly also, indirectly also. Directly means the persons, those who are doing the farming, okay, they are dependent directly on the agriculture, and indirectly means those who are not doing the farming but they are getting the food items from the agriculture because of the agriculture, because of the farming. Okay, if like us, we are not doing the farming. Okay, we are living in the cities, those some people like farmers are living in the villages now, they are doing the farming, so they are involved directly, they are dependent directly on the farming. But we people living in our city, we are not doing the farming but we are getting so many food items and so many things because of the crops, because of the agriculture. Okay, so we are dependent indirectly on the agriculture and they are dependent directly on the agriculture. Okay, so out of 100%, total 55% of population in our country India is dependent on the farming, on the agriculture. Then agriculture is the principal source of livelihood. Livelihood means we are alive. If we are alive, okay, it is because of agriculture. It is because of agriculture. Okay, in the natural vegetation, in the previous chapter I have explained you about the forest, about the trees, that trees are doing so many things for us, trees are giving us so many things to us. Okay, so like this, like the trees, we are those people farming. Okay, because of the farming also we are getting so many things. Okay, like crops, so many types of crops are there now, those farmers are doing the farming, they are putting the crops in the land. Okay, because of the crops we are getting so many things. So it is the principal source, it is the main source of livelihood. If the people are alive on the land, if the people are alive, if they are able to live on the land, it is the because of the agriculture. Okay, then India is ranked second worldwide in the farm output. Okay, India is ranked means in the all over the world. If we will rank India, it is coming on the second position in farm output. In farm output means in the farming. If we will see, okay, if we will see from the perspective of farming, okay, so India is coming on the second number in the all over the world. In all over the world, India is coming in the second position in the farm output, in the farming, in the agriculture. Okay, India is coming in the second position.